What's going on, everybody? I'm Ian Douglas, and I'm testing out the ATEZR P5 laser engraver. One of the first things you're going to want to do when you get a laser engraver is a tolerance test, similar to what I'm printing right now. This one I actually printed as a fill. This one that you currently see etching in the video right here is actually just doing a simple line-based type of test. But what these tolerance tests will allow you to do, and these are typically run within the etching software itself, like Lightburn, you can actually come in and you can set a range of strengths and a length range of speeds, and it'll basically print out or etch out the calibration for you based on those settings. And it'll draw, like it'll ask how many columns you want, how many rows that you want, and it'll actually adjust all those numbers, and then it'll go through and it'll actually etch this. This is really important to do for any kind of material that you want to work in. This is just 2mm basswood, I believe, and you want to do this for each material that you have. So you're going to need to use up at least a few pieces of this material so that you can learn the tolerances of the material. Like if I put the strength at 100% at this speed, is it going to cut all the way through, or is it just going to draw like a really dark line or kind of a faint line? Because how you build out your projects could vary a little bit based on what it is you're trying to do, whether you're trying to actually cut through the wood or whether you're just trying to draw on the wood, for example, but also acrylic and steel and whatnot. All right, cheers.